Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox this 3D pen and show you how it works. I'll also make a triangle phone stand and a small spoon using this pen. So let's get started. This is the 3D pen box. On the front you can see the 3D pen. Now let's open the box. Inside the box we get one 3D pen, USB power cable, plastic filament, user manual. Now I'll show you how to use this 3D pen. First, connect the USB cable to a power source. Then insert the filament from the back of the pen. When the light turns green, the pen is ready to use. Now I'm going to make a triangle phone stand. First, I draw a triangle shape using the 3D pen. After that, I join all the sides carefully. This stand is strong and perfect for holding a phone.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas.
Now let's make a small spoon. I start by drawing the spoon shape slowly. After the plastic cools down, the spoon is ready. It looks simple but really cool.
2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
So this is the 3D pen unboxing and demo. I really enjoyed using this pen, and it's great for creative projects. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.